So do you guys have a friend that you could easily title Mr. or Mrs. Christmas? I sure do. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of her fabulous home. Last video, I chatted with you guys about the true meaning of hospitality, and my friend Lisa embodies hospitality. On this particular day, she invited some of us to help her host an older ladies brunch, and she also let me kind of give you a little bit of a sneak peek inside her home. Take a look. Well, what a lovely day. I want to thank my friend Lisa for letting me make this video. It can be a sad time of year for some people. Maybe there's somebody you could reach out and just give a special hug and a little bit of love. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have more videos out later. Hit that bell, and also come follow me on Instagram and we'll hang out.